So now it's set up on automatic. It will go to 40 degrees and it will stop by himself. So let's go and check out the bonnet. Under here we've got the pump. We've got the pump and the solenoid down the bottom, and we are hooked up on the heater cord. And what goes into the tank at the back heats up, and then we have we've got shower. It is fitted with 11.3 liter per minute pump, and we've got the filler cap just there, and this is the shower outlet. I will put the pump on and I'll show you how it works. So the pump is on, there's the pump and there's the tap. Nice and hot water. Switch that off. This is on magnets, you can put it on the door any way you want. And about the shower, we just plug this in, switch it on, and we've got hot shower. Again, that's with magnet. Oh, it's really hot. That's with magnet. We can just put it any way you want. Switch it off, unplug it, put it back on. It's a waterproof switch. Let's see what's the temperature right now. 25.8. So that's the one on the top. It's basically showing the water level in the tank. Obviously the tank is not full. I just added up some water for testing. Yeah. Switch them off. Take the pressure out. Unplug it. Put the dust cap back on, ready to go. Put this away. Pretty much that's all. So you don't have to do anything basically. You just turn your car on and that will turn on by himself and it will do all the job. And if you don't want it to run, you just switch off and put it back on. Now it's 27 degrees. 27 degrees in the tank.